Say 2015 could be one of the greatest years of real estate if and only if oil prices stay low. That low interest rates haven't done it all these years. It's going to take low oil prices to make better real estate?
Nope. As I've been saying for years, Bill, it's all about jobs and confidence. So now what you have is a situation where we're going to keep these low interest rates for a long time. Price of oil has come down. People have a few more bucks in their pocket that they're starting to spend. They're happy about spending it. So now they get a little more confident. Now a few more people get employed. This is all going to turn around to a happiness, and I call it the axis of housing happiness, in that you have jobs, you have low oil prices, and you have low interest rates. So people are now going to be happy to just sit around and let me stay here. This is great. I love it here.
Trying to picture a three-axis, three-dimensional. Sherry, what's your outlook for housing in 2015?
2015 is going to be a great year for housing, Kelly, and part of the reason is, we got a slow start in 14. We're ending not so great, but what happened in between was pushing us in the right direction in terms of sales and prices. We're going to see the same thing in 2015. We will end up in 2016 with 5.5 million in home sales versus the 5 million we saw this year. A biggie is going to be the fact that all of those folks who are still struggling with foreclosures and negative equity will get past that this year. So this year will actually be the first year that the whole nation has actually recovered. And it's going to be driven by a bunch of people on that happy access. We're going to have first-time buyers who I think will exceed their 40% historic average in terms of participation. We're going to have boomers who, just because of their sheer numbers, will have a big impact on housing, especially in those regions where they want to retire to. And of course, we're going to have those boomerang buyers who now have sat out the mandatory waiting period and can get back into housing. So housing is going to be, we're going to see really nice things in 2015.
So